Right, here we are at week 13, and we only have 2 weeks left. And so we're starting to finish things up here. And so in this week, working with slope and now starting to write the equations of lines in this week. And so this is really your last major mathematical thing that you'll be learning is in this week, and finishing up working with these lines and graphs and working with slope in this one. And so the usual things along with this, make sure you watch those videos and do the reading from the textbook as you work on things here. As part of this, you are getting ready for exam 4, and so you do have that visual chart there that you'll be reporting on having done that as you get ready for exam 4. And so looking at exam 4 for this week, we'll cover these most recent things we've been looking at. And so on this one, it does give you access to the Bible maps and the church history maps that you'll be referencing as part of the test. But otherwise, closed book and notes, just like our previous exams. Won't need the formula sheet for this one. Won't be using formulas like we have it on previous exams for this one. And so that's what you'll be working with there. You may also notice that you have this preparing for your book review here. And so last thing you'll be doing as far as your financial book review here is an oral report. And so you don't do the oral report this week. This will be week 14 in your gathering, but just so you can get ready for that, it gives you some instructions in here. And so if you are maybe lead student for gathering for week 14, this should be what you're doing for that week, are these oral reports. And so it does say, should be a report lasting 4 to 8 minutes. And it does say if several of your gathering members read the same book, you might want to, divide things out and each of you focus on different parts of the book or something like that. And then you should be leaving some minutes at the end so that you can answer questions or something like that. And it does say discuss how or whether your principles in the book were compatible with those things you found in Removing Barriers to Happiness by Elder Scott there. And then it does give you a link for the book report peer assessment. And so you'll be filling these out on your other gathering members as they do their reports. And so let me show you what that looks like. And so this is it. And so just filling in your name and the presenter's names and just a basic peer assessment of that. And so you're actually not turning in anything for this assignment. This is all stuff you'll be doing in your gathering, but you don't submit anything here in Canvas. It's not an actual graded assignment. And so that does cause some confusion most semesters. So just so you are aware, nothing needs to be turned in as far as this oral report, just something that you do in your gathering. And so you don't have to turn in those assessments or anything like that. But this will just help you get ready for that, and that'll be next week that you do those in your gathering right there. And then as far as your last week, a little simpler, don't have the assignments that you would typically have, just doing that book review oral report in your gatherings, and then final exam mostly is what this is, and then a few final exit surveys and reflection at the end of the course. And so just a heads up on what that last week will look like as well. And so please do, if you have questions, leave those as a reply to the announcement, or you can send me an email and I am happy to answer those for you.